I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to insert the cleaning fluid bottle into your Swiffer Wetjet. So we're just going to flip the Wetjet over, make sure this little eject button is facing upwards, and then we're going to take our bottle of cleaning fluid and we're going to insert it with the label facing the same way as that eject button. And we're going to go ahead and press this in to the handle here. And it'll feel like it makes a sound, but it's not actually locked in yet. We're going to click it all the way in. And you'll know that it's locked in because you'll feel it so that when you let go, it stays in place. And that's, even if you pull it, it's now locked in and ready to use, and it's not going to go ahead and fall out. We can flip it over. We can attach a new cleaning pad. I've got one I've been using already on here. We can press the button on the handle, and we'll get that cleaning fluid shooting out the front just as it's supposed to do. When you're ready to remove that, just repeat the process in reverse. Again, flip that Swiffer Wetjet over, press the eject button, and it's going to pop that right out. Obviously, you'd normally do that when this is empty, but you can eject it. For example, if you wanted to switch the scent, midway through cleaning, you can go ahead and do that. In my experience, it doesn't really leak even after it's been ejected from the Swiffer Wetjet, but typically you want to finish it and then eject and insert a new one. So that's how we insert the cleaning solution into the Swiffer Wetjet. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.